I'm also good. Thank you for asking me.
You're welcome. How
Yeah,
what's your nickname? Omigo.
yeah, my nickname is Omi. You can call me Omi, no problem there. Because
But-
in my home city, most of the people call me Omi because it's very simple to call and it's very easy as well.
Oh, do you know the application Omigo?
No, it's not Omegle, it's Omi. You can call me simply Omi, okay?
Yeah,
But
no,
I was
I
also
say
using
I say
Omegle in order to meet strangers, foreign countries people.
you say you used Omigo before?
Yes, I have used. What about you? Did you use it before?
I wanna try, but I hear that Omigo is not very safe. It's very there's many criminal, many sex criminal.
Yeah,
I wanna
probably.
try, but really?
Probably. But I'm not exactly sure what is going nowadays over there because I haven't used it for a long time. But nowadays I am really very prepared to use this one because here you can meet any people and scrolling.
Mm.
It's very difficult here. So meeting with other people quite easy. Make a conversation is very easy as well. So that's why I prefer it, and I don't need to use any other platform in order to practice my English language with other countries' people.
Hmm. Yeah, I think Arizona is the best platform you can practice your speaking
Yeah. So,
without any money.
how old are you, by the way, and what do you do for living? Are you a college student or you are doing job? What do you do for living?
You know, 3 days after, I will turn to 17.
After 3 days later, you will turn to 17. So currently, you
Yeah,
are 16 years old, but you look like you are
yeah.
25 or more than that.
Sorry, what did you say?
You seems like 25 years old, or you more than that.
25?
Because yeah, probably
Wait,
it
wait,
seems
can
like
you say again?
because you are
I want to
smiling very
recall that.
well, and it seems like you are very matured enough.
Wait,
Yeah, while you are
can you say
talking,
that again?
yeah,
How old
it
and
makes
I look
sense to call
like?
you 25 years old because your like chip is very big. You're wearing a very
My
big
face is very big.
sunglass. You colored your hair in different colors, and while you're
Yeah.
talking, it seems like you matured enough. So that's why it makes sense to call 25 years old.
But oh, but it's my first time to hear someone say I look like 25 because 25 is the oldest age I heard.
Yeah, definitely.
Whoa,
For
yeah.
in your perspective, 25 is very big, but my perspective, I like it's very common to thought about yourself that you are 25s, approximately 23 to 25s. No problem, whatever. So, what do you do for like living, and which level do you study currently?
I'm second grade in high school,
Second grade
and
in high school. That's pretty good.
yeah, I don't. I just an ordinary human being. I'm very normal. I just a very ordinary people.
Okay, no problem. You're very ordinary, but you seems like very extraordinary people. You are looking so intelligent. You're looking so intelligent,
Why?
probably,
Why?
and most probably after 10 years later, you can make a big changes for all people all over around the world because it seems like you are very optimistic persons, very fantastic, intelligent, calm. Yeah.
Hmm.
So what is
Well,
your
but
future plan? What is your
my
future plan?
plan for
Your aim?
I wanna study or work abroad
Wow.
because in my country, Taiwan is so it's so small. I want to explore more about this world. So I wanna
Yes, yes.
study abroad or work abroad. Like I can advise. No, I can improve
So
my
what have you art
business.
in your hand? What have you art in your hand? What is this in your hand?
Nothing.
No, 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 no. In your right hand. What is? No, you just kidding with mine. You just kidding with mine. I have seen just before. No, this is in your hand. You have to sew. You have to sew it like that way. Oh man, what is this?
Cockroach.
But when you saw it from my country's woman who is 16 years old like you, they will be afraid to show it, to see it, just immediately. That no need to take them uh, longer to make them afraid. Whenever you show them, kind of like a species, it's very like weird. It's very weird.
Weird?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm a I'm not only an ordinary people. I'm also a weird people. A weird girl.
Okay, no problem. So, how long have you um how long have you kept these things with you?
I started to keep this maybe since February 5th, maybe.
February 5th, so it's didn't been long days. You haven't been long
Yeah,
days.
but I love her. I
Probably
love
10
them
days.
so much.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, I think so.
So
It's my
where did
baby.
you get it? Where did you get it?
It's on a insect exhibition.